Hey, if you're looking for a more spiritual way to attract wealth, to make money, to experience abundance, then I want to let you know you came to the right place. In this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of surrounding yourself with people and successful people, um, people who make a lot of money, people who experience a lot of love, people with good families, and people who talk and speak more positively than what you're used to. Um, for when I was struggling, I'm gonna be honest, I thought really bad. And I had a very scarcity mindset. I had a very big poverty consciousness, but I wanted wealth. And if you're watching this video, it's probably something that you want. And the reason was, is not, I didn't want to be famous. I didn't want, to have a Lamborghini and to live in a big giant mansion. I wanted to be a good provider for my family, and I wanted to give my family experiences, and I wanted to do it in a way where I wasn't working so hard, and where it wasn't taking a lot of my time and my energy. I wanted abundance to come to me, basically from all directions, and I wanted to be still present as a father for my kids and for my family. And so, I went out to the internet and I was looking up how to make money and how to attract wealth. And at that time, I was looking for the easy route. What is the fastest way? What is the quickest way? And I want to let you know in this YouTube channel, I don't teach that. When you get to a point where I'm at, it comes very quickly and very easy. But there's a process. It just doesn't happen overnight. Um, what I found when I was looking for how to make money, um, back then it wasn't like how it is now. How we are now is information overload. There's, as soon as you search how to make money online, there's like a million ways to make money. And they say, do drop shipping, Amazon, do sales, network marketing, affiliate marketing, Kindle books, cryptocurrency. There's so many ways, but I'm gonna tell you a secret. It really doesn't matter what you do. What matters is what's inside here. And I don't think a lot of people who are trying to sell you to buy their course or buy their thing, let you know that it's an inside out thing. Here's a metaphor. I'm gonna kind of explain this for you, and then I'm going to get into the secrets. And the secrets are really not secrets; they're just things that you probably know, but you just need to hear again and again and again before it clicks in your mind. Now imagine right now who you are, and we took you to a NASCAR race, our Formula One, where you have to race inside a vehicle going, 300 miles an hour, 500 miles an hour, however fast these vehicles go. And we get to the track and we say, there's your vehicle, get inside. And you might not have the skills. You might know how to drive, but you might, not have the skills, even to know how to drive this vehicle, how to take the turns. And so you jump in the vehicle, you put your helmet on, and there's a little thing where you could hear your pit crew, and then the flag goes, and then, the whistle, or what, how, or the horn, or however, how the light switches, and you're off, and you're not used to driving this vehicle, and there's so much power in it. As soon as you step on the throttle, you get pulled back. Whoa, holy man, this is crazy. And you don't have the experience, you don't have the knowledge to drive this vehicle. And what happens is you're driving slow because you don't want to crash into a wall. You don't know how to take the turns. All these vehicles are passing you and saying, they're mad, they're like, get off my way. um, and basically you suck. You suck driving this professional vehicle. And so the race is over, and we say, you know what, we're going to train you. You're going to come to our driving school, and you get the best coaches, mentors, things like that. And they teach you how to do the turns. They teach you how to accelerate. They teach you how to decelerate. They teach you where to slow down, where to speed up. Now, the next time you go race, let's say it's 30 days later of training, you're a little bit better, right? What has changed? Your knowledge has changed. The way you think has changed because now you have new information that came to you. Now imagine if they trained you for, let's say, 3 years straight, from day one to day three, 3 years later, and of all your training, of all your coaching, of experience driving in this vehicle, you're going to be a completely different driver. And all that change is you. Now, that's how this metaphor works with money. If you join affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, or whatever it is, that's the vehicle that you're in to drive you to wealth and attract abundance. But you might not be ready. Yeah, you might not be ready because you have all this poverty consciousness in your mind. You have this limiting belief of what it is that you're worth that's causing this abundance to not come to you. You're not that driver yet from 3 years, later. But as you were training year one, you experienced some wins. You got better. Now you turn. Now you know the breaks. By year two, all through that time, you're experiencing good things, and more till year three, you're experiencing amazing things. Now imagine if you kept this up for 10 years. How amazing of a driver you're gonna be. Now that's what happened to me with attracting wealth. Year one, working on myself every single day, and surrounding myself with successful people, I learned how they think. I learned what they do, and I started mimicking what they do. By year one, I started to attract a little bit of wealth. Year two, even more. Year three, even more. I just want to show you. Look, this is 30,000. This is in my hand, $30,000, and this is a half pay of what I'm going to be doing for work. So I'm gonna get like 60,000 for what I'm doing for work. Um, and here's where I get into the lessons. What network marketing was what I joined in the beginning, and I used to go to conferences all the time. And here I was, a struggling person making, maybe max $2,000 a month, working really hard, grinding, sweating, blood, sweat, and tears. And I go to this network marketing conference, and they're bringing people on the stage, and they're parading them in front of people and rewarding them with awards. And they would say, "All right, introducing our 10,000 club, 10,000 a month club." And I'd be like, "What? They're making 10,000 a month? How is that possible?" And then they bring out their 20,000 a month earners, and then they're 30,000 a month earners, and they're 50,000 a month earners, then they're $100,000 a month earner. And what that did was it stretched my mind of what was possible. It started eliminating some of this poverty consciousness out of my mind and my body. And when I saw these people, I seen that they were just regular human beings like you and me. They put on their pants the same way, one leg at a time, and they slept the same way. They drank coffee in the morning the same way, um, but they thought differently. They were thinking differently. They did things every day differently. And you want to surround yourself with these people. You want to figure out, how do they think? What are they doing? And I started realizing that they journal, they write down what they're grateful for, they think about all the abundance in their lives, they're grateful for abundance, they share their abundance. They see opportunities all around them. They know that opportunity and abundance is everywhere. They think differently, their energies differently. And that's just like you going from year one to year two to year three, and you're working on yourself. You're gonna start experiencing the abundance that you want to have in your life. Surround yourself with successful people. Speak like how they speak. Read the books that they read. Watch the programs that they watch. Go to conferences that they go to. Do whatever you could possible to surround yourself with these people. And that's what I do. I made it an obsession to continue to work on myself, to read good things, to speak good things, to help as much people as I could. And when I'm learning this stuff, I'm making a video because I want you to learn it. I want you to grasp this abundance, to get it, to get a hold of it. And my thing is, if I just reach one person, I've already reached millions of people with my other YouTube channels and the things that I do with community and the things I do with my everyday work that I do. Um, I want to reach that one person that goes out and reaches the next million people. And that's me selfishly, by you doing that. Maybe that's you. I'm going to experience more abundance because I help that process. So surround yourself with successful people.